Hi everyone, let's learn a language with Memrise. Free and easy. Let's follow the tutorial. Download the app, choose a language and create an account. You can personalize your listening and your speech.
And here you go. Thank you. Is that everything? This is perfect. Thank you.
You have a little dialogue so that they see your level.
Hi there, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Welcome to our hotel. How can I assist you?
I would like to do the check-in, please.
Of course. May I please have your name?
My name is Fatima and I made a reservation.
Thank you for letting me know, Fatima. Let me check your reservation and find your room number.
Thank you very much.
Certainly, Fatima. Your room number is 304. Enjoy your stay.
Provide your learning plan. Choose when you want to get the reminders. Let's explore some activities of the first module. You have some videos and then you have questions.
Portuguese, Brazilian.
How about you?
And you have a lot of other activities. Just explore the app. You are going to love it.
She's been telling me about. Right. Yeah, sure.
Check out my channel. I have a lot of videos on learning languages. There are amazing apps and this is one of them. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do like, subscribe and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free tools for you and your projects. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye for now.